Hello and welcome to the premiere episode of On the Go with Beau. In this video series, I'll share the great things that are happening in Montgomery ISD. Summer is well underway for our students, and we hope that you're enjoying some well-deserved time off and taking some exciting vacations. This is the time of year we're making updates and getting ready for the next school year. Also, we have a new Education Support Center. Our administrative offices are moving from the building on Walden Road into the old Montgomery Elementary School building on Eva Street in the heart of Montgomery. We also have a new YouTube channel. We invite you to check it out for great stories and announcements and exciting news. In the meantime, thanks for tuning in to the premiere episode of On the Go with Beau. I look forward to visiting with you every month. See you next time.